You already know, if you want to watch me do my hair like this, cute as fuck, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, we back with another video, and I'm about to slay these crimps, slay these crimps. I got this iron from Walmart, but I'm about to slay this wig, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't watched already, go watch the video of me transforming this $30 beauty supply wig. Now we're about to sauce it up even more with the crimps. All you're gonna need the crimp iron. I don't use no spray or nothing like that because I don't want it to be like, you know, or I don't know. But yeah, just the crimp iron. I got like 2 ponytails and a comb. Ooh, it's flaky. Okay, now let me stop playing. Now, I'm loving this. Like at first, yesterday when I first did it, I wasn't like all for it, but now I like the yellow. The yellow is popping. But I always start at the top. I just got this long piece. And I'm gonna work my way down because I be wanting to see how stuff gonna look like automatically before I waste my time doing my whole head. So wait for these to get hot. They is already kind of hot. Don't overdo it, because if you're working with a synthetic wig and you burn your hair off, don't say I sent you. It look cute, but I didn't get this piece. Y'all, this look fat. Bitch, put me in a booth, shorty. I'm a stylist around this mug now. Put me in the booth. You come get in my booth. Bitch, you know what I'm I'm a fat guy, I don't need the key. I want to put it in. Put the thing down so I don't make about the food out. How you, sis? Who you know out here slaying wigs like this? I'll wait. I'll fucking wait. Cost to live. Okay, look, make sure you get your ends in there. Don't leave the ends hanging. Don't leave the ends hanging, because that's gonna be ugly. See? I wish my man was out. Free my man, because he would have saw this lemonade motherfucking this motherfucking lemonade would have went crazy. Listen.
Rock your hips to this. Believe that. Move like a snake. Like a snake. Move like a snake. Like a snake. Move like a snake.
I don't want to make this video mad long, so I'm about to crimp all of this hair the same way I just showed y'all, and then I'm gonna come back, okay, looking like a baddie. All right, so this is my finished look. If you enjoyed watching me slay this wig again, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my freaking channel. You heard? Thank you.